Hi guys! Bisdak Tech Review po at your service. Ito na naman po tayo para mag-review ng isang vlogging gadget na versatile yung function na pwede connect any kind of recording devices, mapa-microphone, kahit lights, cameras, at iba pa. Ito ay ang Yunteng VCT-5208RM Tripod with Bluetooth Remote Control Shutter. Now, for the product details. 1. Material made, aluminum alloy and ABS. 2. Mount type, universal 1/4 inches screw. 3. Folded length, 41 centimeters. 4. Maximum length, 125 centimeters. 5. Maximum carrying load, 1.5 kilograms. 6. Weight, 614 grams or 21.7 ounces. Lastly, brand or made, Yunteng. Now, for the detailed features and specifications. Una, adjustable height. From the unfolded 41 cm, pwede itong i-adjust to 45 cm, 72 cm, at 125 cm. 2. Bluetooth Remote Control Shutter. Meron itong Bluetooth Remote Control Shutter functionality na pwede mo i-connect sa mobile phone habang naka-connect or nakapatong ito sa tripod. Rechargeable din ang remote nito. 3. 3-dimensional head. Pwedeng i-adjust din ang mismong pagkakabitan ng device kung saan i-mount ang mga ito. 360 degrees tilt angle, 90 degrees tilt, and 65 degrees. 4. Buckle type pin lock. Madaling i-unlock or i-lock sa gusto mong height dahil sa feature na ito. 5. U-shaped 3-strut design. Dahil dito, nakakatulong sa pagiging durable and stable yung tripod stand. 6. Central shaft lifting design. Same sa buckle type pin lock sa legs, purpose is easy adjustment naman sa shaft sa desired additional height. 7. Antiskid foot pads. So, iwas dulas and stable footing. 8. Stability. Of course, anong purpose ng pagbili ng stand kung wala ang function na ito? Iwas shaky kapag hawak mo at makakasama ka pa sa photo or video na kukunan mo gamit ang Bluetooth remote with the timer function ng phone mo or camera. 9. Multifunctional. Sa sinabi ko pa kanina sa intro, pwede mo ito kabitan ng mobile phone, camera, lights at kahit microphone or kahit combination pa basta meron kang ibang connectors. Fact check! Let's talk about the brand Yunteng. Founded in 2000, Zhongshan Tanzhou, Yunteng Photographic Equipment Factory, or previously known as Zhongshan Mingfu Precise Mold Factory, is located in Zhongshan City in mainland China. It specializes in developing and manufacturing of professional photographic equipment, especially for camera tripods. With more than 10 years of experience, they have formed a culture with a clear system of values, including a dedication to good quality and service. In order to maintain constant and uniform quality, their products are manufactured with good materials and up to the international quality of standard. All their technicians are highly experienced and with quality is essential in mind. Bringing values for their customers is their target, so they always provide the customers with superior products of competitive price. All of their customers have been convinced by this, and that's the main reasons for them to enjoy a good reputation in China mainland market and to lead them to being more professional, modern, and international. Based on their philosophy, customer first, mutual benefits, they warmly welcome companies worldwide to cooperate with them. What's inside the box? 1 tripod, 1 Bluetooth remote control shutter, 1 carrying bag, 1 clamp, 1 USB cable, and 1 user manual. Ito naman yung actual unboxing and what's inside the box video. Review time! Anong masasabi ko sa Yunteng VCT-5208RM Tripod with Bluetooth Remote Control Shutter? Sulit ba ito bilhin or hindi? Una, the price. Napakamura na niya if you ask me. Kung pagbabasihan natin sa mismong quality, talagang okay na ito. Pwede mo din ito madala kahit saan dahil sa function niya na na-adjust mo yung height for easy packing at magaan siya in fairness compared sa ibang tripods na nagamit ko na in the past. Next, yung multifunctional usage niya. I've been using this sa ring lights ko during recording at kahit sa last kong gig na virtual hosting. Wow, hosting. Lumilevel up. Char. Ayun nga, pwede din kagabitan ng combination na meron ring light, phone, and mic during recording basta meron ka lang lahat ng connectors na needed. Yung nabili ko pala ay may kasama na itong ring light na i-review din natin next time separately. Now, ang tanong kung sulit ba ito bilhin o hindi, ang sagot ko ay yes! Napaka-useful talaga during recording. If ever pwede na lumabas at meron ng vacation trips, pwede talaga siya dalhin with the selfie stick at kahit yung iba pang stability purpose devices. Dahil sa nasabi ko nga, magaan lang ito at convenient na gamitin din. Price check! As mentioned kanina, I bought mine as a bundle with the ring light kasi for me, mas mura siya kaysa bibilin mo ito separately at that time. So using the bundle, I bought mine before sa presyong 680 pesos. Now, I check, nasa 598 pesos na lang siya. If you buy it separately, meron akong nakita na 349 pesos and 60 cents. So kayo na lang mag-decide if the bundle versus yung tripod na lang talaga ang bibilin nyo. Okay, dyan na naman nagtatapos yung review natin sa Yunteng VCT-5208RM Tripod with Bluetooth Remote Control Shutter. Siguro nahalataan nyo na ang dami naman Chinese brands na nireview namin. It just happens na yun lang kaya ng bulsa namin. Kaya, sa ibang malalaking brands, beke naman! And we all know na din naman na halos lahat ng products kahit branded, ginagawa naman talaga sa China. So ayun, sana may natutunan na naman kayo sa mismong product at sa fact check natin. Okay, huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe and click the notification button para updated po kayo sa next video namin. Ako po pala si Caesar ng Bisdak Tech Review. Salamat mga Ka-Bisdak, proud Bisdak for life!